Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video we will learn how to hide all Facebook photos at once. First of all, you have to open Facebook application from your mobile device. Now click on three lines, the menu icon at the top right. You have to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. A list of different options will appear under settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Here you can see different options about your profile. Click on profile settings. Here you can see privacy settings of your profile. Now click on profile and tagging. Well, under profile and tagging, you can see different settings of view and sharing and tagging. And click on who can see posts you are tagged in on your profile under tagging. You can choose everyone, friends of friends, friends, or whatever you want. However, if you want to hide all your photos, you have to click on see more and click only me. Now all the posts you have been tagged in or you have posted yourself will be hidden. This is easy and simple way to hide all Facebook photos. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.